Good day, mga kanitib. Balik po tayo dito sa ating programa sa The Philippine Native Chicken Digital TV. We're broadcasting dito po sa may CPU Technology Business Center sa loob mismo ng campus ng Central Philippine University. Ang CPU po is a private university headed by our President, Reverend Dr. Ernesto Wadaguhoy. Kasama na po ng aming Chairman of Board Trustee, Attorney Peter Corbera. Ito po yung kaibigan, kaakibat po nyo sa Palagan Native Chicken Commercial Scale, sa Philippine Native Chicken. Doc James, for short. Magandang araw po sa ating mga ka-native all throughout the Philippines that keep on following the Philippine Native Chicken. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sa ating mga ka-native dyan, if you found this program informative, please share naman po sa mga kilala po nyo na sa tingin po nyo makatulong po si Philippine Native Chicken. Sa hindi pa nakapag-like, nakapag-follow, subscribe ng ating social media platform on YouTube and Facebook, please have it be done para every time that we have this kind of recorded video, you will be notified by our social media platform. Sa lahat na nakapag-follow na po, subscribe at saka nakapag-like, maraming salamat po sa tiwala po ninyo kay Philippine Native Chicken. Our number is increasing in behalf that we are not boasting this channel and this page. But medyo marami-rami na po tayo. Thank you po sa mga tiwala po ninyo kay Philippine Native Chicken. Now, dugtungan naman natin yung mga pinag-usapan natin sa ilang episode ng ating video presentation. Pasensya po pag ating video presentation kasi medyo na-limit natin to give also time. Marami kasing gawain si Philippine Native Chicken. That is why that ang time natin, usually we round out about mga 15 minutes of presentation on a daily basis. And we are supplementing it with the reels, para at least paano po mga 1-minute reels para at least it can give you ideas. Kasi ang buhay daw ngayon, mabilisan kasi. Mabilis kang manganak. Mabilis kang lumaki, mabilis ka rin mapatay. Yun, mga ka-native. Ganyan po kabilis. But the time that we have every day, we have 24 hours to make use. Ay, mga ka-native. Yung kung bakit na kasi yung mga usapan ng mga estudyante dito sa amin na to find opportunity. Kung saan mga hanapin ang opportunity, sabi ko sa mga bata, instead of finding an opportunity, why not create an opportunity? Sa inyo kaya mga ka-native, sa tingin nyo. Alam niyo kasi mga ka-native, as we continue on the development that we have in this country, every year, thousands of hundreds of hectares, or possibly hundreds or thousands of hectares, are converted into residential, commercial, lahat-lahat na. And these are the pieces of land na kung saan considered as prime agricultural land. Ang hindi pa natin nakita, sabi daw nila, ang problemahin natin sa ngayon lang, bala na yung bukas para sa sunod na henerasyon. Naalala ko kasi yung kausa kasi the government event right now, in the UN, the Sustainable Development Growth. Ibig sabihin ng Sustainable Development Growth, ibig sabihin, we keep on continue on the development of our economy, pero hindi po malagay sa langanin ang resources natin for the next generation. Ang problema na ito ngayon mga ka-native is that based on the projection that ang El Nino will continue to prevail during the summer in the next 5 years. Yung kung bakit mga ka-native, ang tingin nyo kaya what kind of world na ang ibigay po natin sa susunod na generation. If we keep on banking na kung saan, ang problema natin ngayon, i-solve natin yung problema, bahala yung bukas. Ay, nako mga ka-native, ganyan talaga ang buhay. Yung kung bakit ngayong araw, bigyan natin ng summary yung ating presentation. Actually, this is not a summary. Just a conclusive statement of what we have on the series of videos that we have presented. Ito lang kasi ang ideya, pangkabuang ideya na inibigay po natin na for you na are here na to learn and earn for business is as usual in bringing profit to production. The ideas must be put into action for profit to realize. Ganyan lang po makanitib no, kaikli no, ang presentation natin. But it took no, as ilang episode no, para mabuo po ang kwentuhan. Ngayon ko bakit that as you ang iba, marami kasi sa mga kanita natin that keep on viewing this one, na keep on messaging us, no, thank you for the trust and confidence, na kahit si Philippine Team Chicken, no, akala ko kasi na this is just a mere presentation. But maraming salamat sa mga nagpadala ng mensahe that sabi, they learned something out of the series of lecture that we have no, in this video presentation. Alam niyo kasi mga native, bakit nandito kayo ngayon? Kaharap ko pa rin. No, because you want to learn. Pero pwede ba mga native that as you keep on learning, we must also to appreciate and implement. Otherwise kasi if we keep on raising native chicken, there are a lot of knowledge that we have, tandaan po natin, walang mabilisan po. It took us time para po ma-appreciate po ang ating mga ginagawa. Kung narinig po kayo na just a matter of 1 week, yung pera po ninyo, doble po yun, baka scam po yun. Yung kung bakit sa ating mga native. Alam niyo kasi, ang critical thinking is very critical for us. Important po us pala. No? Hindi kasi madouble yung pera mo in just a matter of few minutes or few hours, possibly days. It took us time. That is why that we must to learn before you start to farm. By the way, mga native, sa mga nagtatanong pala kung kailan yung seminar baka yung seminar natin, we'll be holding it on the third or last Saturday of June. Pakiantabay po sa ating page kung kailan po yung seminar na yan. Ang seminar na yan, ang focus will be more on what we call the day-old chicks production. Para at least nagdagkalaman naman po sa inyo. And that is why that we are putting this discussion today para at least. But ito kasi introductory pa lang ang pinag-usapan natin. Introduction pa lang. Ganon po kahaba kasi magkwento si Philippine Team Chicken. Introduction pa lang. Ilang oras na. Pasensya po. But on the succeeding presentation that we have, bigyan ko po kayo ng idea how to start your own farm. Okay ba mga native? Pero sa ngayon po, pag-usapan natin is that ang learning process kasi mga native is very essential for us to venture this kind of project. Equip nyo man ang sarili nyo. Otherwise kasi pag hindi nyo na-equip ang sarili nyo, tandaan po natin, yung mga mata po natin deceiving ang problema natin. Yung spring of income that we have, yung mga pera natin sa bulsa natin, na tagtuyot kaya mga native, baka matuyuan yung darat na ng tagtuyot yung ating mga bulsa, na ibig sabihin, we keep on spending. But the earning that we have is very limited. And that is why that in raising a chicken, minsan ibig sabihin, gusto mo, nasabihin mo, sige lang, Dok, ang importante kasi nung pisahan yan, kahit na walang kita, okay lang, mawa po kayo. Tandaan po natin. When we're raising chicken, treat it as your main source of income. And it must be you must to set income for yourself, but it must be in the form of profit when you're engaging in this kind of project. Otherwise, kasi mga native, pag nag-alaga ka lang, na wala pa yung target income, at kailan kaya yon, baka wala mangyari po sa atin mga native. The specific goal that we have in a specific time, kailangan po natin yung mga native. Tandaan natin that as we embark on raising native chicken, profit must be realized. Tandaan natin that profit is the lifeblood of every business. Pag wala pong profit yan, kahit paunti-unti lang, dahan-dahan lang yung mga native, baka matuyo ang dugo mo sa katawan mo. And that is why that we are doing it na in this kind of discussion para at least kahit paano po bigyan po kayo ng idea. And to the point that as in the title of this presentation, na kung saan po integrating native chicken or the other part of the farming enterprise that we have. Any ideas that you have, because you have learned something, you have set your objective, pili ba yung may ideas na yan, paki-verify po kung totoo ba yan o hindi, na posible ba yan, feasible ba yan o hindi, kung hindi sa feasible, na ano kaya ang mga reason behind it, and if that reason can be worked out or not. Kung hindi sa mag-work, huwag mo nang pilitin sarili mo. Huwag mong problemahin ang hindi mong problema. Hanap po kayo ng mga bahagi na kung saan po kung ma-workout, so let it be workout para at least na you can do something to generate the expected income that you have. Otherwise kasi mechanitive na pag nakaharap po natin isang problema and then mawala na po tayo ng direction, ay nako po. It is why that if you think that your ideas is feasible, have it be implemented. But make sure that as you implement your project, guidance, it will always be there as you, if you're needing it. Otherwise kasi, pag kailangan mong idea tapos wala pa kayong katulong po sa inyo, ay lagot na po maka-native. Yung kung bakit na sa ating maka-native on within Visayas, Bacolod area, and Iloilo area, sa maka-native natin that would like on to engage in this kind of production, pwede bang usap muna tayo? And hoping that in the next 3 years, as we continue on the development of the CPU native chicken breed that is drought tolerant and avian influenza resistance, hoping that by 2026 may palabas na po nating breed na yan using what they call the molecular, para at least na makatulong po sa inyo. Kasi the ideas that you have put into action with the proper guidance or support, profit will always be realized maka-native. Totoo po yung maka-native na kailangan po natin ng profit. Yung kung bakit in the Philippines, marami sa mga bata naghanap po ng opportunity in other countries kasi dito sa Pilipinas, mahirap po i-realize ang profit. In this way, at Central Philippine University, we are encouraging sa mga gusto pa mag-aaral ng agriculture and would like to venture kung saan po we can share ideas on you toward the development of to become entrepreneur. Pili ba kayo makapag-enroll dito sa Central Philippine University? May 3 courses kasi sa CPU. We have BS Agriculture, that is what we call a general curriculum, and then para at least you are flexible enough kung sa ANSI, crop science, or other area, pwede po kayo makapasok. We have also what we call the BS in environmental management, na kung saan ang focus naman is more in environment, preparation of ECC, and others. We have also what we call the BS in agricultural biosystem engineering, na kung saan po ito po yung previous na ag-ing na pinalawak pa ang area of specialization. And we offer it at the Central Philippine University, being one of the center of excellence for agriculture education in the country. Ang specialization kasi ng CPU dito po is more on what they call the native chicken enterprise po. But it is more on what they call the commercial production and not the backyard one. Yung kung bakit na mateknolohiya natin dito sa CPU, kung makikita po niyo, it is more of what they call commercial scale. Tanda po natin, for you, you must learn to earn. Once you learn it, you must what they call that, you must do a business. For business is as usual, in bring us profit to production. Your ideas must be put into action for profit to be realized. Ang ideas po na hindi malagay po into action, it will remain as your dream. A dream will only be realized if you put it into action, mga ka-native. Sana po, sa video na to, may tulong naman kami dyan sa inyo, nabigay ng idea po sa inyo, No, tandaan po nyo sa next episode natin, we'll be discussing how to establish your own farm. No? In behalf naming Presidente, Reverend Dr. Ernesto Wardaguhoy, kasama na po ang aming Chairman of Board Trustee, no, Attorney Peter Holbera, ito po yung kaibigan, kaakibat po nyo sa paggawa ng Tip Chicken in commercial scale. No, si Philippine Tip Chicken, Doc James for short. No? Ingat po tayo. No? God bless and keep safe. Kita naman tayo ulit dito po sa ating Facebook page at saka YouTube channel dito po sa The Philippine Tip Chicken Digital TV. God bless and keep safe po sa ating lahat.